I.
Example, I like to read books. I have. Example, I have a new bicycle. I can. Example, I can swim very well. I am. Example, I am a student. I do. Example, I do my homework every day. I shall. Example, I shall help you with your work. I will. Example, I will call you tomorrow.
You. You.
You have. Example, you have a beautiful smile. You can. Example, you can play football very well. You are. Example, you are my best friend. You will. Example, you will pass the exam. You shall. Example, you shall receive your reward soon. You do. Example, you do a great job.
We.
We have. Example, we have a meeting at 10 a.m. We can. Example, we can go to the beach tomorrow. We are. Example, we are reading books. We will. Example, we will have a party this weekend. We shall. Example, we shall follow the rules at all times. We do. Example, we do housework every weekend.
They.
Example, they play soccer every Sunday. They have. Example, they have a big house near the beach. They can. Example, they can speak 3 languages fluently. They will. Example, they will visit us next summer. They shall. Example, they shall overcome all difficulties. They do. Example, they do a lot of charity work. They are. Example, they are my parents.
He.
Example, he loves playing the guitar. He has. Example, he has many books in his library.
He can.
Example, he can run very fast. He is. Example, he is a doctor. He will. Example, he will buy a new car next month. He does. Example, he does exercise to stay healthy.
She. She. She.
Example, she likes ice cream. She has. Example, she has a new dress for the party. She can. Example, she can sing very well. She is. Example, she is excited about the trip. She will. Example, she will buy a new phone soon. She does. Example, she does yoga to stay healthy.
It. It. It.
It has. Example, it has 4 legs. It is. Example, it is a big house. It will. Example, it will be sunny tomorrow. It can. Example, it can fly very high. It does. Example, it does rain a lot in spring.